I called Mr. Mwenda, who's the class teacher, and he confirmed that my son had been sent home because apparently he had a balance of 4,660. So I told the class teacher, as far as I'm concerned, I don't have any school fees balance because I had paid, I had cleared, and I even confirmed with the principal. I asked him why was he sent home yet he didn't have any school fees balance. He told me that it's the principal who gave him the list of the students to send home, and my son was in that list of the boys who were supposed to be sent home. It happened on Sunday night, in his cubicle. And then on Monday, he took an overdose. Right now, he's undergoing counseling because he's traumatized.
We were the first respondent. I remember I had not met the parent of this particular student, and she was referred to us by another organization. And I went to her place on a Sunday, and she narrated what had happened to her son. And that is when we organized. We needed to do something. We are reading a lot of ill will in all this matter. And I think it's important to realize that sodomy is not just in Aquinas.
I want to urge the public, Ministry of Education, and all the education stakeholders to launch investigative matters, investigative procedures to these issues. Sodomy is real in high schools. That is one thing I want to accept. I want to handle the same cases. So I want to accept this issue is real, and we are calling upon all stakeholders, and in particular, Ministry of Education, kindly launch a serious investigation against this matter and ensure justice is served.
We demand that the Inspector General of Police conducts speedy investigations into the alleged sodomy cases that have occurred within the premises of Aquinas High School and other schools within Kenya. Secondly, we call on the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions to institute proceedings to prosecute the perpetrators involved in the crime in accordance with the law. Thirdly, we call on the Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Education, Professor George Magoha, to take all appropriate legislative, administrative, social and educational measures to protect children from all forms of physical and mental abuse, especially sexual abuse in schools. Further, we call on the Teachers Service Commission and other stakeholders to publicly shun this vice in schools and to kick out administrators who have failed to diligently perform their duties. The principal, Aquinas High School, had a statutory duty to ensure that minors have a safe learning environment, which he failed to. Further, we call on the Teachers Service Commission to take specific measures when appointing school administrators, including exercising due diligence and increasing awareness about sexual abuse. Also, we demand that the principal of St. Aquinas School steps down from his office pending investigations into the alleged crime.